G'day everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm taking a ride on the Yarra Valley Railway, which is a tourist railway running on a section of the former Healesville train line in Healesville. So come along for the journey. Hope you enjoyed today's video. We start our day at Healesville station. At first glance we see some old vandalised rolling stock and locomotives, such as this T-class diesel locomotive T341, as well as another rail motor from the Victorian Railways era of our railways. This one is most definitely not going anywhere anytime soon. Eventually, a few minutes later, the train was arriving on the platform. The train operated by the Yarra Valley Railway is a Victorian Railways Walker diesel rail motor, specifically rail motor number RM22. Here we see RM22, which was built in 1948, now arriving. Prior to the arrival, RM22 was actually stopped behind the railway crossing not far from the station. It was at a red signal, and I even got the chance to turn the signal to green using a lever at the station platform. Unfortunately, I don't have any video footage of this action, but anyways, here we are on board RM22. The Victorian Railways rail motor operated and preserved by Yarra Valley Railway. And so this is a full look at the interior inside RM22. Pretty comfortable seats, I'll be honest.
Hurry up.
And honestly, yes, these seats are very well padded. They are green leather upholstery seats. Yes, leather upholstery. They're very comfortable.
It's an old train, that's why. They were volunteers,
However, the train didn't depart upon arrival. We had to wait a good 10-15 minutes for departure though.
We'll be conducting the service as well and checking your tickets. This gentleman here, about to walk into the train, his name is Peter. Can everyone say hi Peter when he walks on? I'll pretend we haven't told Peter to say that. Oh, hang on.
Yeah.
Anyway, so this right here is my ticket I got for today. You can buy tickets from the Healesville train station.
Right. Welcome on board.
On the brown head.
So at the Healesville railway station, there's lots of vandalised and stored freight rolling stock. However, these carriages are not going to be restored as they're freight carriages, and there's no need for them to be restored.
That's going to be the MCG's Brisbane Plan.
We don't pay $29 for it. Oh, you're on video!
It'll tell me about
Ding, 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 ding!
Anyway, so fun fact about that railway crossing we just passed, it didn't actually have any boom gates before until boom gates were provided in 2022 as part of a refurbishment of the Yarra Valley Railway happening that year.
On the way down the tube, on the way to get down. It's down.
Now here's the interesting little moment where the train goes under a trestle bridge, which is a road bridge. I'm not sure if it's still used by road traffic, but it probably isn't.
There's another train.
And after passing onto that trestle bridge, our train now passes through a private railway crossing.
First time in the
I'm probably sabotaging it.
That was purple. Purple with pink stripes.
You'll be right.
Yeah.
Obviously, I must bet to me.
We already did golf tunnel.
Until somewhere last year, trains on the Yarra Valley Railway were able to pass through this tunnel just in front of us, and the railway would stop just after exiting the tunnel, but due to track maintenance, the tunnel is currently closed, and so we have to return before entering the tunnel.
Tunnel, we're finished. And that will be it for today. Bye. I think we are.
Hey,
You wave my flag.
come and sit down. Sit down.
Anyway, so from here, our train, RM22, now returns back to Healesville train station, and from here I watch the same hills and bushes roll past over and over again. Oh well.
Can anyone tell me what green means?
It's fun.
That's right.
He plays with me. Yes, I know. Yes. I've got $20.
Excellent. Yeah,
Not in my whole career.
in 1 hour.
When they're out. And then probably.
I'm getting off.
That's what it's cool.
The difference between a billion and a billion is 1,000
Sounds like it's like that when she said that one. When she said that one, it sounded like something else.
What's that sound? What do you mean? Billion.
And then what's the one that you said? Oh, it's like
I have to give the green flag.
what?
Anyway, so after 45 minutes on board RM22, we're now arriving back at Healesville train station, and after we get off the train, I will show you guys Tarrawarra railway station, which is currently being restored as part of the railway's extension to Yarra Glen. Anyway, so here we are at Tarrawarra railway station, which is just west of Healesville. We can see lots of progress has been made, restoring tracks and building a new station. Soon this crossing site will be telling the truth. Now, the restoration of this station is pretty interesting, but here's what I think is the most interesting part about Tarrawarra Station currently. These V-Line N-type carriages, built from 1981 to 1984, that have since fallen under ownership of the Yarra Valley Railway. Although I tried asking for information regarding their service lives on the internet, I haven't gotten anything. All I got was that they operated on lines such as Bairnsdale and Warrnambool. Well anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this new video format that I'll be using for some future videos to come out on this channel. If you enjoyed, please like, comment and subscribe, and your support means a lot. Anyways, have a good day.